into our channel, please consider subscribing and liking this video. We are producing videos for all technical traders, scalping traders. There is a lot of videos, as you can see here, many videos. They are of different strategies depending on what you need currently in the market. So as you can see, whenever you have some questions, you can also contact us. Here are the links below. There is our Facebook profile, our WhatsApp line, where you will text us a direct message. You can also find us in Instagram, Twitter, and also Agora. Just send us some questions there. Very quick. Our team is well trained. They will be responding to your messages. There is also an email address. You can also send us a DM. So feel free to contact us. Feel free to ask us anything, or if you need any assistance in one of the brokers, we will be assisting you loyally and diligently. So as you can see, we have authentic skills and exceptional tips to unveil, and on every video that we post here, we give quality educational information for trading strategies, forex tips, and also we have free mentorship. So all the videos here, they are meant for educational purposes, for improving in forex trading. So if you listen to each of these videos and you take action, trust me, you'll never go wrong. So let's start our video today. In today's video, we will be looking on the top 8 most trusted brokers in forex market. There is broker number 1. As you can see, there is the links are in the description below of this video. There is broker number 1, which is the Deriv Broker. The minimum deposit, it's $10. In the link, you just click here and you go to the browser, where you will be checking the link for this broker. It's a very good broker if you are a beginner, because you trade the different synthetic indices. Here is the here is the portal here. So the trading platform is just on the go. You click here to create your free demo account. You can trade the Deriv Go. You can trade. It's just user friendly. You'll be trading 24 hours 7 days a week, meaning you can trade from Monday up to Sunday. You're trading any time of the day, because you'll be trading the synthetic indices. It's also a user friendly broker. If you are a beginner, there's nothing much complicated. So it's easy, it is accessible, because whenever you want to trade, you just trade. There are lots of things that you can trade in this broker. So try to open your free demo account so that you can start trading. There is also better risk management, because when you are trading the contracts and everything, it's easy for you to go through and you trade whenever you want. You've signed up in this broker. Make sure that you send us some screenshots in WhatsApp for assistance, or anything you want to fund your real account or you want to withdraw. We will be there to assist you. You can also contact the support team. Here, like you can see here, there is the icon on my bottom right corner. There is an icon for the message, the icon for WhatsApp. You can conduct the live chat sessions. The team is always there to assist you. So this is the broker I'm talking about. For you to create your free demo account and start practicing on these trading platforms, on just one click you make a large amount of money. So you can register your real account here. So another broker it's Exness Broker, where the minimum deposit is $1. You just click the link on our broker number 2. After clicking the link, you go straight to the portal, to the Exness Broker. When you reach, this is what you will see in the platform. It's like you can see, it's an online trading with better than market conditions. Here you can also trade on weekends, but some of the indices that are traded on Deriv are not the same with Exness. So Exness, they process withdrawals 24 hours 7 days a week, meaning you can withdraw your funds anytime, and their withdrawals, they are instant. It's very very fast. It's the fastest broker with withdrawals. So as you can see, you can access the global markets, any currency. You can use different accounts, the professional accounts, the raw spread, the zero, the pro account. So it's a very good broker. It's a very good broker. Like you can see, active live clients from July 2023, there are 571,348,000. The client withdrawal to $1.3 billion. So you can open your accounts here by clicking the yellow button. And also, whenever you have some problems, make sure you send us a direct message. We will be there to assist you too. Then another broker that we have, it's the FBS Broker, where the minimum deposit is also $1. You just click the link and it will take you direct into the website. Here you will just click open account. Also, this is a very good broker, a very good broker, where you will be experiencing some bonuses. These bonuses are in assistance, especially if you do not have an account. But for you to start trading, you can still generate money into the system and make a lot of money. Then we go to the broker called RoboForex. RoboForex, you just click the link again. The link will take you direct to the website. So here, as you can see, the website will be like this. You click the green button and then you open your demo account and live account. You start trading. This is also a very good broker, starting from 0 pips. The spreads are fine. This broker is also good if you're a beginner. So make sure, guys, you choose wisely. You shouldn't choose the brokers that were not recommended, because you will have some problems when you want to withdraw your funds. So be smart. Okay, so another broker, which is our broker number 5, it's a hot forex market broker. Also, you just click the link and you go to the website. The link will take you direct into the portal, the hot forex market broker. This is what you will see in the broker. You click register. This is also a very good broker with leverage up to 2,000. So you click register your free demo account, and you will see many accounts here. Like you can see, there is a cent account whereby there is 0 commissions, swap free, 0 spreads, leverage is up to 2,000. There is a pro account. There is also the premium account. Actually, here there is no minimum deposit, that sounds crazy. You can also boost your trading by, when you're making the deposits, you'll be given some, what you call, the bonuses, where you'll be following the terms and conditions. Like you can see, the client up to 2 billion clients deposits, and also the total number of clients, there are more than 2.5 million. So you can see, you can also download your app to your mobile phone, also the Windows phone. So you can also open the multiple accounts in this broker. So it's a very good broker if you're a beginner. Make sure you click the link below and the green button also to register. and then you start the journey of trading. Our strategies, they are there for you to give some basics on what really is done into the market. Then we go back to another broker, which is XM Global. XM Global, it's you also click the link below. It's the say it's a safe broker. It's a safe broker, and also there is what you call the FX giants and super FX. So these brokers, guys, they are very very good. They are very good brokers. Let's check XM Global. XM Global, yeah, the minimum deposit it's $5. Here, like you can see, it just take me to the registration. Like you see, my country is Swaziland. So you fill up your information, your email address, then your password, and then you tick this box to agree with the newsletter and company news and product update. Then you click register. After you make your registration, you will be taken to the portal. This is a very good broker also, and here, trust me, you will never regret. And also here there are a lot of bonuses that are boosting your equity. So also XM is very good in terms of withdrawing and deposits. There are a lot of materials that are used for deposits and withdrawals. So the link is here in the description below this video for you to register. Our broker number 7, it's FX Giants, where you be clicking this link. As you can see, I go straight to the internet. Then this is what you will be seeing. In FX Giants is also a good one, though the minimum deposit it's $100, but for beginners it is a very good broker. I recommend you also that you can also open this broker if you want to make serious money and make your living with these brokers. You can choose which account you want to open, because the like you can see, the leverage is up to 1,000. So it's a very good broker. It's a very good broker, guys. It's a very good broker, I recommend it. The deposits and withdrawals, they're very good. And also they used to have some promotional stuff, like the best traders in the month and all those stuff. So make sure you click the link in the description below. I'll be very happy if you can use my links to do registration, and also so that we can assist you and know that you are under our affiliate. So let's go to our last broker that we recommend you, which is good for beginners. It's this one, the Super Forex. Super Forex or supermarkets. You just click the link, it will take us to the internet, because here is what you will see. It's a very good broker also. Like you can see here, the leverage is up to 2,000, zero commission. The minimum deposit it's $1. So this is so the Super Forex portal. You'll be trading many currencies, the cryptocurrencies, the metals. Yeah, here you can open, or you can also open your your live account, so you can claim up to 300% hold bonus. You can also trade with the bonus only without making a single deposit. So the leverage here is up to 3,000. That's crazy. So guys, that's why I've listed this one, the 8, because this bonus, you find that some people, they cannot meet the terms and conditions. So they will think that this broker is what they'll be explaining a lot of things. So you click here on the bottom, like the top right corner, where you will say you will be registering your free demo account, then your real account here. So make sure, guys, you click the link in the description below, and you start registration. Also, deposits and withdrawals here, they are instant, they are very, very good. So you just go down to the bottom. This is what you'll be saying: open a live account or open a demo account. You choose which one do you want to start with. And also they have the communication channels, the social media channels. You can call them, you email them address. There is Twitter, there is WhatsApp, there is Telegram, Instagram, Facebook. Also they have a YouTube channel. Also in the LinkedIn and Pinterest, the portal is available. So please use the link in the description below to open your live account or your demo account. Whenever you have some problems, make sure you contact me here. So here is it, guys. Like when you are checking into our channel, in the about section, here is our details. You will be contacting us via WhatsApp, via Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Quora, the Pinterest. We will be responding to you instantly for assistance. Make sure you choose wisely. You choose the top 8 most recommended brokers for beginners in 2020. Thank you so much. Please watch on our next video. Let us meet there. Thank you so much. Bye bye.